What up, guys? It is the Bad Wolf, the international man of mystery. Oh, yeah. I just want to say I appreciate each and every one of you guys. I think we're at about 74,000 people who have subscribed. We have another, I think like 40 or 50,000 who have not subscribed. That's insane. Look, guys, we're almost at 100,000 where I get my little plaque. And as I've promised, it'll go right there, and I'm going to dedicate it to all of you guys who have subscribed. So help me to get there, and I will be ever so appreciative. All right. Um, Also note that according to YouTube, a majority of people on here are males. So, ladies, where are you at? That's it. That's all I'm gonna say. Where you at? You ain't subscribed. You ain't talking to people. There's more women in this world and in this on this continent than dudes. All right. Don't be like my lady out there, which I love. She's gonna probably kill me for this, but oh, it's all technical. I don't really want it. If you want it, go and get it. If you call yourself a queen, then walk, talk, move, and act like one. Let's get it. Get this knowledge. Support me on here. Go get it. All right. If you guys ever see anybody using any of my materials inappropriately or calling me out of my name, or you see something stupid underneath, some advertisement for Wikipedia with the you know S word on there, click on the little icon and say, yeah, I don't like this ad. Appreciate you in advance. If you feel education, you don't have to, you can do whatever you want to do. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just saying that that is an inappropriate ad for those people who have placed it. But once again, it's because they don't want me teaching you guys about your freedoms, your liberties, and all of these truths. So that's up to you. If you see anybody else in their videos, same thing. Hit their video, mark it as defamation of character or inappropriate material, unless they are just using it as commentary. If they're talking derogatory or whatever else, or calling me out of my name, then definitely you want to make sure that you report them and anybody else. Okay. That Now that we've got the business and the formalities. Oh, wait. Also, my TikTok channel is at symbol James C Lovett on there. It's also under, well, just type in the Bad Wolf, you'll find me on there. So far, I'm not famous enough that people are really making fake accounts or anything like that. All right. And also know that you can now find my website under jamesclovett.com or Bad Wolf Unincorporated. You can also find me on Facebook now. Yes, one of my friends is running the first page that was created on there. As long as he sees fit, he does not have to. So if you want to join mine, please, please, please go on there and look up Bad Wolf Unincorporated on Facebook. You'll find my group on there. Same thing with Telegram. I think we're at on there under what are we under there? The Bad Wolf or let me double check. No, I think we've got two. And how are you guys doing out there, by the way? Hopefully everybody is good. Oh yeah, Bad Wolf Unincorporated. Okay. So we've got that one on there. My TikTok channel is doing very good. People have been very they've been responding good and respectable to me and all the information. So people are feeling it out there. A couple of trolls, couple of whatever else. People who never want to show their facts or put the work in, just want to feel some type of way. Ooh, I feel like this should be this way. Sorry, but feelings have nothing to do with the law. Laws are about facts or how you can convey that information from your perspective. Then that becomes a fact. All right. So other than that, join me on Black Site 32 or James C. Lovett and subscribe on there to the newsletter. All right. We need to get those numbers up because in case this channel has any difficulties, technical, or whatever else, I need to be able to reach you guys and say, hey, I'm over here. This is where you can find me. So if that's not a big deal for you, then don't worry about it. But if it is a concern, join the newsletter. Okay, that site is mine. I don't have to worry about like YouTube things and whatever else. I can actually even post any kind of video saying anything I want to say in those things and send them directly to you guys. So join the newsletter. All right. Go on there and subscribe for the newsletter. All right. That being said, I digress. Now that the business has concluded, let us get on to the title of this video. Oh, that's right, I didn't mention it. All right, so I just want to make this video. I may not have actually, or I lost, so maybe I lost the video. I don't know. Whatever. We're gonna redo it. So this particular video is about it's about insurance, but it's for those people who are traveling out there and those companies, theirs or others, who do not want to provide you with insurance because they're like, oh, we don't know what that is. You need to be licensed and this and that. Now, understand that their legal departments all know these rights. And their legal department also know, and they also know that the company 9 times out of 10 has programs for private travelers or nationals, but they don't want to give them to. They don't want to talk about it. I went back to back with this guy in New York. Oh, they don't know about it. The agent he was talking to said that. Told the agent to talk to the legal department. Legal department said, yes, we absolutely do have that. How did you know that? And then he said, well, yes, but don't offer it to your client. Why? Because they make more money on the commercial side of you, right? That's what they're taxing because commercial is more money. People have been able to successfully, through their own company, privately ask the manager or whoever else about any programs they have for private drivers or for fleet insurance reduction, because you can jump into there's fleets and pools that they have, or any discount. You can always call at any point in time asking for any discount pricing, discount packages, discount promotions or programs that they have for you, a non-commercial private driver. I have taken my driver's license test and I am formally able to drive. However, I utilize my vehicle privately. Do you have any for a national or a private or a state citizen? Do you have anything like that? Or for somebody who's considered a foreign national or a foreign driver? You have to ask these things, right? So let's see if I can find. Give me a moment. Hopefully everybody's doing good. All right, I can't find it. There's another term that you can ask for. That let me see. Let me check one more time. I'm checking my normal pictures. Um, favorites, screenshots, maybe. Here it is. So you can ask them for a safe driver insurance plan, SDIP. Okay. The SDIP may be used by your insurance company to adjust your auto insurance premium based on your driving record. So that's another tip, guys. Ask them for that. Do you have any safe driver insurance plans? What are all the plans that are available to me? Ask that question as well. Can you mail me a list or email me of all of them? What do I qualify for? Do you have a complete list? A lot of times they're not going to want to show you a list because then you're going to know, and then you'll probably send it to me and then I'll post it. But you'll be able to see all the ones on there and see what you qualify for. Because most of the time they're just going to say, well, we think you qualify for just the regular commercial insurance. See if you can get them to give you a list. And then I'll make a video on it. Otherwise, ask them, say, well, what other qualifications that maybe you guys don't know about me that I can give you that may qualify me for a lower insurance? Now, one of the other ways that people have been able to get insurance in general is either by a bond. You can go out and get a bond, or you can go get your DOT number and apply for all the normal things with your DOT number. Okay. Especially if you're going to put your DOT on your car, you don't have to. You can just get the number, put the DOT in the window. All right. And then use that to go get insurance. But we're going to be talking about something I came across not too long ago is, oh, sorry. All that drama for nothing. I didn't have the window queued up and ready. Fine, we'll do it the regular way. Just go to it and navigate. Sorry for the undramatic dramatic. All right. So it is called non-driver insurance. Okay. Matter of fact, let's go. Let's do it this way first. What is non-driver insurance? Non-owner car insurance. So I probably should put that as the title of the video, but it's non-driver, so same thing. But because they use this, I'll probably use it for my video because no one else is using this, and this will make my results higher for people who want to look this up. But anyway, let's get to it. So non-owner car insurance, also known in the industry as non-driver insurance. See, that's what I told you. So this is in the industry. This is amongst other, regular people, the regulars. Offers liability coverage when you are driving a car you don't own. Now I'm not saying this is going to fit for everybody, okay? But they may ask you for a DOT number. They may ask you, do you have a driver's license? Well, no, not active, but I have been formally trained and have had one previously. Okay? Learn how to talk to these people. And you cause an accident. Just like regular liability insurance, non-owner car insurance covers vehicle repairs and medical care for the other driver involved in the incident. So this isn't so much for you per se, but you also have to see what your company or a company will provide you with. Okay, well, it looks like other people have made their YouTube on it, so I guess I'm not the first one. Imagine that. So, but this is 2 years old. Okay, so there's a couple people. Couple people. All right. I haven't seen it pop up, but maybe it'll pop up now. All right, so let's see what they have to say. Let's click on the whole article. Geico, non-owner, not sponsoring them, but if they want to be sponsored, they can. Car insurance provides liability coverage for accidents you cause while driving a car that does not belong to you. This coverage pays for the vehicle repairs and medical bills of other people injured in the accident. Okay. Non-owner insurance also meets coverage requirements for drivers who do not own a vehicle but drive frequently. Whether you're frequently borrowing a car, renting vehicles regularly, or applying for your driving license for the first time, a non-owner car policy is beneficial. All right. So if you don't already have one for you, you can get it. Also helps with car renting. Okay, so if you're borrowing someone else's car, you don't have to worry about if they're sure. Now, of course, in this case, you're tech legally, if you've done right to travel correctly, your vehicle is not owned by you. So you're technically borrowing the trust vehicle, which is the trust in itself is actually foreign if you've done it right. So yes, I frequently use this car. Here's that information if they need it. And I want insurance. All right. Some of them may ask you if well, what did it say up here? It said also if you're applying to get a driver's license. So depending on your company, you may have to try a couple of other companies. Some of you, I've heard people using their international driver's permit. Okay. And that's if they ask. If not, you're just saying, hey, I borrow this car. I'm applying, but I haven't gotten my license yet. So it says here, if you need your insurance company to file an SR22, but it says here, purchasing a non-owner policy is easier and more affordable way to meet your state's insurance requirements. So that's kind of fire information right there. Some states require you to have liability insurance when applying for a new driver's license insurance or reinstating a lapsed one. So, hey, I'm in the process of reinstating or I'm applying for a new one. A non-owner policy is more affordable and an affordable way to prove that you have insurance. Now, I'm not saying anywhere in here where it says you have to have a driver's license. So educational information from your favorite non-belligerent, non-combatant. You can add supplementals to your policy for more protection. Rental car insurance coverage. That's cool because then the company will be more likely to rent to you. Some people doing right to travel have had that problem. If you sustain injuries in an accident caused by an uninsured motor or motorist, this coverage will help you pay for your medical. Okay, so in case somebody else who doesn't have any insurance hits you, you got coverage and medical. A rate analysis by them shows that the average cost of non-owner car insurance is $474 for the whole year. Bum, bum, bum. Factors about your cost, convictions, reckless driving, multiple offenses, drive without a license. But they didn't say anywhere in here that you had to have that. So do your own due diligence. You may have to hit around a couple of companies. Instant policy management coverage, disadvantages. Does not cover your medical care. Okay, so it won't cover you unless you have one of those riders and you're hit by somebody else. But if you cause it, I think it's going to cover you. But everybody else will be. And this is individual coverage. Okay, cover you, not your spouse or your family members. All right. There you go. So non-driver insurance might be the way for you. And what was the other, or else non-owner car insurance may be the right way for you guys. Either way, be safe out there. Don't be a belligerent or combatant. Don't do stupid things. Oh, I'm going to speed because I've got a passport. Or no, it's not what it's about. That's the reason why they don't want you guys to know about this. And that's the reason why you guys don't know about a lot of these things, because they know there's going to be some Goombas out there who are going to do those things. So don't do stupid things with any of these processes with anybody. As always, we accept no responsibility for how you use any of these materials. Individual results may vary, et cetera, blah, blah, blah. Don't be dumb. Okay. Okay. That's it. More videos coming. You guys take care, and I'll talk to you later. Later.